Tecno has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Pova series in India called Tecno Pova 7 and Tecno Pova 7 Pro, with a new multifunctional Delta Light interface placed on the rear panel. Among this two, the Tecno Pova 7 Pro is the higher variant, with additional features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Tecno Pova 7 Pro 5G smartphone. The Tecno Pova 7 Pro 5G features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Tecno Pova 7 Pro 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 64-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX682 sensor, along with the 8-megapixel secondary lens. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, with 45 watts wired fast charging support, and 30 watts wireless fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15 out of the box, with iOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes 11 layers hypercooling system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.47 by 75.87 by 8.15 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova 7 Pro 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 10th, in dynamic gray, geek black, and neon cyan color options. So, what do you guys think of this Tecno Pova 7 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.